childhood. A man decides after 70 years that what he goes there for is to unlock the door. While those around him criticize and sleep. Through a fractal on a breaking wall, I see you, my friend, and touch your face again. Miracles will happen as we dream. But we're never gonna survive unless we get a little crazy. No, we're never gonna survive unless we are a little crazy. Other people walking through my head. One of them's got a gun to shoot the other one. And yet together they were friends at school. Miracles will happen as we speak. But we're never gonna survive unless we get a little crazy. No, we're never gonna survive.